The service industry that the business research company covers includes markets for constructed buildings and engineering projects and preparing or building sites for new construction. Activities such as lending, investment management, insurance, brokerages, payments, and transferring services. Services that provide support to businesses of all sizes and in all industries, including those offered to individuals and institutions. Social services and related goods like education and disaster relief offered by private or government establishments to improve the well-being of communities. Air, rail, road, water, and pipeline transportation of both goods and people. And all other services that include equipment and machinery repairing, grant making, advocacy, and providing laundry services, personal care, death care, pet care, dating services, and so on. We provide in-depth industry coverage and analysis through our industry reports, which include market, customer, and competitor insights on the world's leading markets. The business research company provides hard data and actionable insight to support your marketing strategy. From identifying market opportunities to targeting customers, designing products and services, preempting competitors, assessing channels, and refining promotions and pricing. We make sure you have information and insight for every step of your business planning. So what are you waiting for? Reach out to us now.